I'm going to explore a little bit more. Wow. I'm like the only one back here. I'm the only one of a kind.
If you remember my ride video from Faribault, Return to Faribault, I ended up finding something there. The jumps that I thought were there, they were still there. This video is my video of me doing the jumps and rediscovering them.
Whoa! Yeah, there's jumps here. There's a whole bunch of jumps. Oh boy. Dirt Jump City right here. Completely unofficial. Sweetness. Oh yeah. Get your flow on, man. Oh, I knew these were here. They are way better than I think I've ever seen them. I am like tickled pink. I hope I can get all this. Okay, so I gotta figure out what I'm doing here. What direction do you go? So there's two sets. There's this one and there's one down there. Oh yeah! Oh, I can totally take these. I'm actually taking them right now, barely even trying. Woo! Yeah, I feel like I'm clearing them. Let's go for the others.
Unfortunately for me, by the time I got to these jumps, my battery was about 8%, so I only had a brief moment to roll through some of these and check them out. I was going to have to make a return trip sometime and figure out when I could come back and try to hit these and include them in the jump marathon.
Oh, big jumps. Whoa, yeah. Woo! I'm not gonna have enough battery for all this. Yeah, I'm not quite getting them. I'll have to come back. Oh, these are like sweet. Entrance right here. So there's like this rocky thing right here, and then there's an entrance like right here. I hate to get the jumps. Oh, it's like, yeah. I don't think I'm gonna want to do that again. I could trim it out. Oh. Okay, I'm at the lower ones. Yeah, I'm at the lower ones. Or are these different ones? No, this is, okay. This doesn't look familiar at all. I cleared that one. Oh, that's the problem, is there's a big tree down. Okay. If I cleared this one, no problem. I don't know about that other one. So this is actually a pretty big jump. I just cleaned out the branches here. Do this one. But I'm wondering what direction you hit these. It's actually starting to, but I'm thinking if I hit it in reverse, I might actually be able to clear them. It helps to be in a good gear. Yeah, that actually feels better. I don't know if that's gonna help me or not. My dirt jump harness, as I like to call it. Oh, it felt really good. Oh, I totally cleared it. I totally cleared both of those. Okay. I think I was just too tired the other day. One more time from this direction. And then I'm going to do the base jump. Base jumps. Oh, come on. Nope, not quite. But I roll right up to the top. Easy as peasy. So this one here is, you can go both ways on this. Break a little bit. Yeah, you really get thrown on that one. I'm not sure how to hit this one. I'm gonna try it. Nope. Nope. All right, well, we'll give this one more time. I think I got those 3. It's pretty marginal, but we'll have to look and see what the video looks like. Definitely got a few videos of me doing the other ones both directions, I think. So it's just speed. And then that base one really kicks you, or that lower track, that really kicks you. I can't get that other one. I think there's some more jumps back there, but pretty washed down. Pretty fun area. I need to get more speed, just like anything else. The jumps are way down that way. But I'm gonna go down here to see what's down here. Because now I'm curious. There's 3 or 4 trails that go back here. I think they just go back to the river. Ooh, there's actually a trail back here. I mean, there's like another trail that's off the trail that has a trail on top of the trails. Oh, this is cool. They pop right out onto the river. Oh, mud. Wow. That's pretty cool. Hey, you.